What is up, guys? In this video, we're going to get our obstacles randomly generating now that we have them all basically implemented. So let's go into our generator class. In the generate random obstacle function, we are going to generate a random number between 0 and 2. So that's going to give us three options, 0, 1, and 2, and that's going to decide what obstacle is generated. So in order to do this, we're going to create a constant called rand, and we're going to use this function called arc4random. So what this does is it basically just gives you a random number, and so I'm going to print this out just so you can see exactly what it's doing. So if we run this, you're going to see, because it's in the generate random obstacle method, it's just going to keep giving us a random number every second. So if we tap, you're going to see here it's printing out all of these different really large numbers. So the way we can harness these random numbers is we can use the modulus operator. So if you remember, the modulus operator is what gives you a remainder of some kind. So if we say arc4random modulus 3, this is always going to give us a number between 0 and 2. Because as soon as it gets to, if it divides by 3, it's going to give us a remainder of 0. And if it's 1 off, it's going to give us a remainder of 1 and 2, so on and so forth. So now that we have a random number between 0 and 2, we are going to say if rand equals 0, we want to generate our jump obstacle. Else if rand equals 1, we're going to say generate our attack obstacle. And if it's not either of these two, we know it's going to just be 2, so we can say else generate slide obstacle. Awesome. And we can delete this generate slide obstacle here, and we can test this out. So I'm just going to run this. Now if we tap, you're going to see, okay, we got a jump obstacle here, jump obstacle, slide obstacle, and finally the attack obstacle. So awesome, we have every single obstacle type generating, and yeah, I think this is pretty cool. So in the next video, we'll actually add the textures, and then we will be done with generation for now.